Next award is for Enterprise Data Center Evolution Award of the Year. It goes to Mr. Krishnamurthy Oku.
Hello everyone, this is Krishna Oku. I am thrilled to share with my journey in IT with over 2 decades of experience. I have specialized in storage, disaster recovery, infrastructure and cloud architecture. I take great pride in leading successful data center migrations, smoothly transitioning from on-premises to cloud environments. I have had the privilege of working with renowned companies like Oracle, where I sharpened my skills in disaster recovery management and cloud operations. My journey continued with impactful roles at AT&T in India and UBS in the USA. Currently at AT&T in USA, I am leading cloud migrations and utilizing Azure Databricks for large-scale data processing with generative AI models. My IT journey has been driven by a commitment to excellency and a passion for innovation. I extend my heartfelt thanks to our chief guests for their inspiring presence and for Global Leaders Awards team for considering me for Enterprise Data Center Evaluation Award. It's a tremendous honor and I accept it on behalf of my entire team at AT&T. Thank you.